So, good morning, all of you, TYBSC student. So, welcome to again lecture series on the subject is solid state physics, and we want to continue the first module, that is the crystalline state, and we want to today see the main points here, which is the types of the crystal. Before starting this point, summarize the last lecture, and the summary of the last lecture, we have to here see the types of the crystal, types of the lattice, or generally say that types of the Bravais lattice. So in last lecture we have to see here the different types of the Bravais lattice considered as two-dimensional Bravais lattice and three-dimensional Bravais lattice, and this three-dimensional Bravais lattice considered as several types of the crystal structure, and we have to say that crystal structure which is considered as cubic crystal structure, tetragonal crystal structure, orthorhombic crystal structure, rhombohedral crystal structure, hexagonal crystal structure, monoclinic crystal structure, and triclinic crystal structure, and these are the different types of the shapes of the crystal structure. So out of these 7 different types of crystal structure, already 2 types we have to see here, which is considered as cubic structure and tetragonal structure. In this cubic structure, consider as the sides of the length, that total 3 sides are equal length, that namely consider as the main condition is A is equal to B is equal to C, and that angle between these 3 sides which is considered as alpha, beta and gamma, and the condition of this alpha, beta and gamma which is considered as alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. And next structure which is seen by last lecture, that is tetragonal structure, and here the main condition of sides which is considered as the length, that is A is equal to B and not equal to C, that is mean by two sides are equal length and third side which is different from these two sides, and the relation between the angles which is considered as alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma, and which is considered as 90 degree, that is the at the right angle. Now next types which is considered as the rhombohedral structure, rhombohedral structure, and orthorhombic structure or hexagonal structure or triclinic or monoclinic structure. So we want to see here the next third types of the this crystal structure. So third, which is the rhombo or orthorhombic structure, orthorhombic structure. So we want to see in this structure, given crystal structure, we want to see what is the relation between the sides length and what is the relation between the angle. So in the orthorhombic structure or orthorhombic crystal structure, the crystal arrangement that are three unequal sides are at right angles. So that means that, so that given three sides which are not equal side, that is relation gives A is not equal to B is not equal to C, but the relation between the angle alpha, beta, gamma which is considered as the 90 degree. So see here in this crystal arrangement in orthorhombic structure, so given that is third number types. So in this type orthorhombic crystal structure, so in this crystal arrangement, three unequal sides are three unequal sides are three unequal sides are at right angles are at right angles. So see in this crystal structure arrangement three unequal sides are at right angles. So what is considered that? So therefore three crystal sides which is unequal, so that is considered as A is not equal to B is not equal to C. So this is first main condition, and which is considered at are at right angles, so that is considered as the relation between the angles with respect to this side. So that is alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to at 90 degree. So this is main condition of this structure, of this orthorhombic crystal structure. And this orthorhombic crystal structure, which is considered as simple orthorhombic, that is considered as P, and this is say that the simple orthorhombic structure. Next structure which is considered as the body centered orthorhombic structure, that is considered as. So next type of this crystal structure which is considered as orthorhombic crystal structure, so that is body center orthorhombic structure, and that is denoted by I. And what is difference between this and this? We have to see here one crystal lattice point which is considered in the center part, and here that crystal lattice point which is situated at the corner of this cubic system. Next type of end centered orthorhombic crystal structure which is denoted by capital C, and here that 8 point which is situated at the corner of this cube and two crystal point at the end of these two faces. And next type of this face centered orthorhombic structure which is denoted by capital F, and here 8 corner at crystal point which is situated again two face and 6 lattice point which is on the 6 faces of this structure. So that's why say that this is the face center orthorhombic structure. So this is the idea about the orthorhombic structure. Now we want to see the next type of crystal structure which is considered as the rhombohedral structure. And that rhombohedral structure which is considered as the relation between the length of the sides and the relation between the angles alpha, beta and gamma. So next types which is considered as rhombohedral structure, this is the four types of the crystal. So rhombohedral structure, and in this crystal arrangement, in this crystal arrangement, three equal sides are equally inclined. Three equal sides are equally inclined, but at an angle. At an angle other than right angle. Other than right angle. So in this crystal structure, that is rhombohedral crystal structure, which is considered as three equal sides are equally inclined, that is known by that the length of sides A, B and C which is equal, and say here the information angle other than the right angle, so that is whatever angle which is not equal to 90 degree. So gives here main condition of the sides. So therefore A is equal to B is equal to C. Okay, A is equal to B is equal to C. This is main condition. And next condition which is given as alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma, which is not equal to 90 degree or the right angle. So this is the main condition of the rhombohedral structure, and we want to see here shape of the rhombohedral structure. So that is considered as, so for given information given as here three sides are equal of the equally inclined. So that is considered as, so for example, so this structure, so that sides are equal sides, equal length or equally inclined. So that sides are seen by, so that inclined structure, and that we have to consider here the angle between A, B, C, which is considered as alpha, beta, gamma, which is not 90 degree. So see here for this structure, so that is not by the 90 degree, and three sides are equal, so that is generally considered as these sides which is considered as A, this is B side, but A, B, C which are equal to, so that's why say that this is also A and this is also A, and that angle between these which is considered as alpha, beta and gamma. So this structure which is considered as simple rhombohedral structure. Simple rhombohedral structure. Structure which is considered as capital P. Okay, so this is the information about the rhombohedral structure. Now we want to see the next types of the crystal structure, which is considered as the hexagonal structure. Or you have to know that the angle between the sides of the hexagonal structure in hexagonal structure, which is considered as the 120 degree. So next fifth type which is considered as hexagonal cubic structure. So in this hexagonal crystal structure, so in this crystal arrangement, so that consider as three axes of unit cell are, three axis of unit cell three axis of unit cell are equal in one plate equal in one plane at 120-degree angle at 120-degree angle from each other from each other and a fourth axis normal to a fourth axis is normal to this plane this plane. So the interval along the fourth axis interval along the fourth axis is unique. So what is information give in the hexagonal structure? So in this type of crystal arrangement, so three axis of unit cell which is equal in plane at 120-degree from each other and the fourth axis which is normal to the plane and that interval along the fourth axis which is unique. So that is considered as here two sides are equal and third sides which is not equal to this both sides. So that is considered as the main given condition, that is A is equal to B which is not equal to C. So this is the main condition of the sides, and the main condition which is considered as angle, that is alpha and beta, which is considered as 90-degree. Alpha is equal to beta which is considered as 90-degree, and third angle which is considered as gamma which is considered as the 120-degree. So this is the information about the hexagonal structure, and we have to see here how the structure which is seen here. So that structure which is considered as hexagonal structure like as the benzene ring type of the shape which is considered as, so that is 6 lattice point which is situated on the 6 corner which is considered as like this type, and again at the bottom also 6 lattice point at the corner of this. So this is considered as the benzene ring, and that lattice point which is oriented or which is situated at the corner point, and this is considered as the hexagonal structure, and that hexagonal structure which is considered as alpha and beta which is considered as 90-degree, and third side which is different from this, so that A is equal to B, and this side which is considered as the C in that third side which is different from this side. so that side consider as C, and that angle which is considered as alpha, beta and gamma. So alpha and beta which is considered as 90 degree and gamma is equal to 120 degree. So this is information about the hexagonal structure. Now we want to see the next type which is considered as the monoclinic structure, and that monoclinic structure, so consider the given information that A is not equal to B is not equal to C, and alpha is not equal to beta is not equal to gamma, which is considered as alpha and beta which is 90 degree and which is not equal to gamma, and trigonic structure that three sides which is unequal and three angles also unequal and which is not considered as the 90 degree. So next type of this monoclinic and triclinic structure which consider in the next lecture. So thanking of you.